Hello, today I'll be giving a short tutorial on VoiceThread, or Voices in the Clouds. This is a unique tool that allows users to interact with each other and have discussions outside of class or the boardroom. VoiceThread is an interactive collaboration and a sharing tool that enables its users to add images, documents, and videos, and to which other users can add voice, text, audio files, or video comments. This site is very unique in the sense that teachers and students or coworkers can collaborate on their time. It keeps streaming, so you can go back and rewatch them. It allows a humanistic, touch to it. I use it for online classes, and it's a really great tool for storytelling, for analyzing a concept, a research tool, and assessment. So let's get started. This over here is a browse area. You can search pre-made VoiceThread, so you can click on that and go into that library. All right, at your discretion if you are researching something and you might have a content already made. So check that first. Today, for purposes of this tutorial, we're going to create one. So go to create with the little arrow or pencil, add media. Today I have a picture that I'm going to add, but you can also add videos and direct links. I'm going to add this picture that I saved earlier. Okay, and I'll just give the picture a title. It's The Jungle. And it's by Upton Sinclair in 1906. He wrote the book, and it portrays the wretched Okay, so we saved that. If you want to edit it, you can click on that and go back, and then just a little description of the picture. So now I want to comment. When I do this, this allows me to direct the discussion. And I'm basically putting a question on here, which my students are going to see this screen. When here's text, phone, microphone, camera, and then that closes it. So the text I'm going to say, I'm going to add a comment. I'm going to say, identify, or no, I'm going to say explain how this photograph give specific examples to justify your answer. Then I can say respond to one other classmate for full credit. That way they have to actually go through and listen to each other's or read each other's at this time. So I want them to explain how the photograph depicts yellow journalism. We've been talking about that in class to see if they actually know what yellow journalism is and can identify it outside, give specific examples. So we'll put that there. So that's saved. What happens is when I share this URL, it will bring them directly to this site. They do also have to have a free account to interact with this. But in my question, you scroll over my avatar and you can create those and change them. It will have the question right there. Explain how this photo depicts yellow journalism. Okay, and they don't have access to edit or delete it. Those are the two options. Again, you can still edit once it's posted. But this is the unique tool with this is that this will appear here and then they will start to comment. Okay, so I'll just pretend is shown in the picture with the exaggerated, I think I spelled that right, exaggerated pitchfork. Let's see if that will. Okay, so just for hypothetical purposes, this is the question of the teacher. So I would have to, explain how the photo, and I like how, I should say, this is question. I should, make sure that they know, here's the question. Explain how the photograph depicts yellow journalism. Save that again. So now that's that. And then I was being a hypothetical student, and that is my answer. As you can see down here, Okay, it's scrolling. So if I want to click on this, it's starting again from the top, and the student can read that. And then if they come back in, they can click on that person, okay, and it shows their answer. So at the bottom here, it is showing my particular question and then the first answer. So as the students begin to answer, this space fills up in different segments and it can be scrolled over, okay? It's a continuous thread, so to speak. Okay, now that we're done, I can go back to here and say share. I want to make sure who has access to it, that it's anyone can comment. Save that. And then I want to, okay, there it is, scrolling at the bottom, and then you can see how much time you have. The closed caption option, you'll need to work with that. Some of the free versions don't allow it, but with this particular one, you don't need to worry about the closed caption because it's I have the actual text question. So if I want to share, again, copy the link. So what I would do is I go out of here, I would copy this link, and then I would post it on the Edmodo site or paste it into my Moodle site where I use for college. Okay, so this is a short tutorial on how to create a voice thread and also how to share it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any other questions, there's other VoiceThreads tutorials on VoiceThread to further answer your questions. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.